Does this look familiar? Yes. Just like the human arm, this is a robotic arm. So where is it used? It is actually very widely used in industries like in car assembling, CNC machines to pick, place and put it in drilling, as laser heads for cutting and welding, and even in cranes you can see something like this. So how do they work? You can actually automate them any way you want. This is a gripper. You can also have a magnet instead, and it can be automated to work on a continuous system which can be pre-programmed, or you can use a joystick like this, or you can use sensors. For example, if you see a blue color object, pick it up, or if you see a magnetic object or a metal, pick it up. So like this, it is used in a variety of applications. Our robotic arm here is fully 3D printed, and it is using 4 servo motors, one in the bottom, 2 here and 1 in the front. Let us see our robotic arm in action. I'm going to power it up. So this is the home position that we have defined. Let us look at our Industrious Automator, that is the robotic arm kit in action. So first, let us see how the robot moves right and left. Thereon, up and down. Next, let us see how the robot can move back and move front. Next, let us see a robot open the gripper. So as you can see, the gripper is opening. Next, the robot is going to close the gripper to grab the object. So like this, it can be used to grab a variety of objects. Different heads can be used like a magnetic head, and it can be automated to perform this task when it detects a particular event. For example, a color or something coming close, or even different kinds of objects. So through this, we can automate a complete factory and reduce lots of human effort and make life safe, more accurate, thereby making the world a better place. All the best to become DIYA's Industrious Automator.